you do that?
Oh my God!
Hey yo everybody, welcome back to the Ohm My Mod channel. I'm your host Ohm. This is my co-host Ohm-Girl.
Hi.
And today we'll be reviewing
Cheeseburger.
the Raindrops Candy Cheeseburger. It's the original candy burger.
Probably gonna be delicious or terrible.
Well, it does say 100% tasty on it.
Well, let's see. Where are the taste testers?
Alright, let's unbox it. That's not a good start.
No, it is not. Okay. Well, get the little.
It looks like you're getting a quarter pounder from McDonald's or Wendy's or
McDonald's.
Burger
definitely.
King. Oh, McDonald's definitely. Okay. There's no comparison when it comes to fast food. It says that on the side it's made of 22 soft candies. The first being 6 sweet candy buns. 6 cheese and sauce.
And then 5.
It's just a mixture. It's not even. We gave you some cheese and we gave you some sauce. The cheese and the sauce look exactly the same, just different colors.
5 best candy bits. Wait, what?
Bites.
Bites.
Best candy bites. I think that's supposed to be the burger.
The little patty.
Yeah.
Like a Krabby Patty.
4 candy salad. I don't know what that's. Maybe that's supposed to be the lettuce.
1 out of 3 candy topping.
Oh, so that's supposed to be like tomatoes. Though I've never seen well, I have seen a green tomato. I've
Oh, what
never
about-
seen a purple tomato.
No, me either.
Well.
I never seen a green tomato.
Hmm.
Let's check it out.
Interesting. Gives you a little display so you can see the patty inside through the front of the box. It's kind of cool.
Yeah.
And while this thing weighs almost 5 ounces, it's 130 grams.
I don't think we really need to care about that.
Of course you don't. Alright. Ohm-Girl,
Yes.
would you please do us the honor and privilege of opening the box? There we go.
They're sneaky.
Flip it over. That does look pretty masterful. I gotta give him credit. That looks pretty cool.
But it doesn't look like a real hamburger.
That looks pretty. I mean, for something made of candy, that's pretty realistic looking.
Yeah.
Gotta give it to him.
Yeah.
He did a
If
pretty good
there's
job.
A more realistic one, that would win.
Yeah, like if they dusted it up with maybe like some powdered sugar on the top to give it like a more bread look, and then maybe like if they like hit it with that edible paint. Yeah, that'd be pretty cool.
I would.
Alright, well, I think we should,
Open the plastic,
okay.
and then we can eat it. Taste test it.
Let's pop it. All the way.
Oh, be careful.
What? Where's the bottom bun?
I think the bottom is a fail. That. This
No,
is,
it's just a bowl of candy. I think we got ripped off. That's not. Where's the bottom bun? They made.
a bowl.
You have to eat it this way. This is the only way that you can eat this because there's no bottom bun to hold. This is whack. This is whack.
Well,
All right. Okay. Let's
taste it.
Yeah, let's go back up top and then we'll taste test it. Alright, kid. Well, the unboxing was a little bit of a fail. A little bit disappointed.
Yeah, but I'm a lot disappointed because who would do that? Well, at least McDonald's has some good food.
It's not McDonald's, that's for sure, huh?
Yeah.
Alright,
Or Wendy's.
so what do you think? You think we should just, like, go layer by layer?
Yeah.
Okay. Why don't you come a little bit closer to the microphone? There we go. I guess we'll go for the pickles first. You want to take your pickle? It's really wiggly. I don't know what that smell is. It kind of reminds me of those markers that you used to get in school, the scented markers.
Those are so bad.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright, ready? Tink it. Tink. Oh.
It tastes like a pickle.
Yeah,
of,
so
in a good way.
It's like those blue sharks that you used to get in the, I think it was like 2 for $1 deal, you know, the red and yellow bags. And they had those blue and white sharks inside. Same kind of consistency. It's like a whitish green on the bottom and then a clear green on the top. I actually like it. It's pretty good.
Yeah. I would say 1 through 10, I would give it a 5.
5?
Yeah.
Yeah. Not the greatest, but it's pretty good.
There's an 8 the whole layer of it.
I honestly thought the whole thing was going to taste like one gigantic Krabby Patty.
Yeah.
Like the Krabby Patty candies.
Yeah, but they're tinier. If they made a bigger burger, that would be pretty sweet.
Yeah, well, speaking of patties, that's what we're on to next.
A little bendable, but not.
They have like a weird, non-sticky texture to them.
Ah, it smells bad to me.
Yeah, it smells like figs. It looks like a fig too. Oh, that's like shoe leather.
I can't hide it. Ugh.
Oh.
Ugh.
It's those Coke bottle candies.
Really? I never had
Supposed to taste like Coca-Cola, but it's flat. It doesn't have any bubbliness to it.
Oh, it smells terrible and it tastes terrible. 1 through 10, I would give it a 1.
You would give it a 1 out of
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna give it a 4 because it's not good, but it reminds me of being a little kid and seeing those little Coke bottle gummies at the store and thinking, oh, that's a wonderful idea, and then getting it and realizing, wow, this tastes like flat Coke. Gross. We are on to the sauce, which is literally a gummy bear.
It's so cute.
It's a two-sided gummy bear. One half is kind of a yellow, the other side's red. That's supposed to represent the ketchup and mustard, or ketchup and cheese rather.
Yeah.
No smell really.
No, not really. Very good twisted.
Really no taste to the yellow backside.
Not really much of taste at all.
Even the red side doesn't have a taste. You'd think it would taste like a red gummy bear, like strawberries or cherry.
Yeah, but it's not. I would say, I'm gonna eat the whole thing is so tiny.
I don't think it's very good. I think it tastes just like
I sort of like it, but I don't.
sugary gelatin. What do you think, Tigra?
She's just doing her thing over there. I'll give it a 3.
I give it a 1 because after I've been chewing on it for a while, mixed with the Coca-Cola, Tastes like a sweaty foot.
Yes, sir.
You think so too?
Only a tiny bit, not.
How do you know what a smelly foot tastes like? Gotcha.
What is that? Ah, the little ingredient, tomatoes.
The tomato, that's purple. There's only one. We're gonna split it.
Yeah.
I don't know why there's only one.
That's disappointing. No really flavor. No really smell.
There's a slight fake grape flavor. Now these, they used to make these when I was a little kid too. They were little Coke bottle shapes, but they were purple and they were supposed to taste like grape soda. I'm actually a fan of that. The purple tomato.
No, I'm not.
Sounds like a really bad 90s flick, but what can you do? Save some room, because this one's going straight to your buns. Get it? Because it's a hamburger bun? Oh, sorry. This is really squishy.
Yeah, it's like a little.
Sponge. It's like spongy. It feels like Play-Doh almost.
No, Play-Doh does not feel like that.
Gack.
That's good.
Kind of feels like gack. Slime.
It doesn't smell any.
Smells like nothing.
It's really easy to chew.
Really slimy. I feel like I'm chewing on a piece of sushi.
I give this one a 10 out of 10.
I give it a 2 out of 10 because it reminds me of these awful, I don't know if you guys remember them, because they would never sell them today, but they used to make these candy cigars that you could get as a kid. I remember being like, I don't know, 8, 9 years old, running around with a big stogie hanging out of my mouth. Product placement, kids, product placement.
I'm having another one. I really like these.
You like them?
Yeah, they look like little pizzas. Almost.
Yeah, it does look more like pizza than it does a bun. Alright, well, that wasn't completely awful. Not what we thought it was, though.
No.
They tricked us.
Yeah.
What a gimmick. They faked us out. They played the players.
I guess this was a little late.
Yeah, I guess so. Alright guys, well that's going to do it for our review of the Raindrops 100% tasty candy burger.
Not 100%.
It wasn't 100% tasty at all.
No, they lied. Whoever made this, you're terrible makers of crap patties.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed. Make sure you smash like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Chickadee. Chickadee. Ciao.
The best piece of advice I have for someone trying to succeed in the film industry or any creative space is if you're doing what everyone else is doing, you're doing it wrong.
One of the best to ever do it.
Yeah.